Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I am BestCat8 and I am fresh back home in Cali. We had such a great time in Louisiana. I had so much fun shopping, and today I wanted to show you guys the souvenirs and the trinkets and the gifts that I bought on my trip to Louisiana. So if you guys are interested in seeing goodies that I bought on my vacation, then keep watching. Let's get started. So I got this beautiful chalice or goblet. Look at it, it's so cute. See, it says New Orleans on it, and it's got flowers all over. It's got a skull head. I've got some drink in there right now, but it's so cute. That's the back of it. And then the bottom. So I got this from, I don't know the name of the spot. I can't remember the name of all the places that we shopped at, but I just want to show you guys what I purchased. So this is one of the items, this little chalice. Is she cute? I usually collect mugs. I'll usually grab a mug whenever we travel. And so this is a really, really cute one. My chalice. So that's that. You know, when you come back from vacation, you need a vacation from your vacation. Okay, so that's me right now. This is what you're getting today, okay? I also got this really cool book, The Magic of Marie Laveau, and can you see it? There's a little glare, but anyways, it's The Magic of Marie Laveau, Embracing the Spiritual Legacy of the Voodoo Queen of New Orleans. And I really love this book cover. I thought it was really creative. And I started reading it a little bit on the plane on my way back home, and so I can't wait to dive into it. And I bought it at the Basin Street train station while we were sightseeing. I'll let you guys know what I think about the book when I'm done reading it. And what else? Oh, I got my son a little cup too. This was a Jazz City store. His favorite color is green, so it says New Orleans Cajun Critters. So I got him a little mug because he likes to drink hot chocolate. So favorite color green and likes to drink hot chocolate. I figured I couldn't go wrong with this one. So that's for my 9-year-old. Thank you. A little muggy mug. Okay, and because we went to the concert, of course, I got a couple of Eston's Festival of Culture souvenir t-shirts, New Orleans, Louisiana. On the front, you got Kevin Hart, My Chocolate Drop, you got Janet, and New Edition, Poison. And on the back, some of the other artists, the Isley Brothers, The Roots, 2022. And I got one for me, and I got another one for my daughter. So I got 2 Essence Festival souvenir t-shirts. And ooh, also bought a really cute scarf. Isn't that pretty? The Saints. So I got this scarf. Isn't that cute? Hey. Isn't it pretty? I don't know how I'm gonna wear it yet, but I thought it was really nice. Oops. We got a couple of drinks, frozen drinks. This one says the Big Easy. This was one of my souvenir cups from while we were walking down Canal and Bourbon Street. I had a green one with a skull head, but I had to toss it. I saved one. And oh, I got, what else did I get? Oh my, this is heavy. Okay, I got, oops, Oh, it says New Orleans. It's a bell. Isn't it cute? With her little mask. I got my mask. Ew. So I got my mask. She got her mask. It says New Orleans. That's when I want coffee in the morning. I just ring my bell. So I got that. And what's this? Oh, this one is my husband's New Orleans Nola. Yeah, cute, nice big sturdy mug. So that belongs to my hubby. And let's see, what is this? I got another mug. Oh, I thought I didn't get this one. Guess I did. Mojo, baby. Yeah. We all should be working on our mojo. We want some good mojo, some good juju. Down says New Orleans at the bottom. Isn't it cute? Yeah. All right now. I forgot I bought this one. Cute. Yeah. So, what else? Oh, I got my VooDoo Goddess of Wealth. Hello. We're about to get paid. This one says, what does it say? It says, your doll something. There's a whole stamped in it, so I can't read a portion of it, but your doll something, light a candle, medium, incense sticks on problem, desire. You can personalize with hair, small photo, or any small personal item. Tuck them into your doll. Oh, okay. So it's instructions on how to use my VooDoo doll. Wow. And my VooDoo doll. Y'all ain't ready for this? Okay, so that's my VooDoo doll. And what else did I get? I got some more t-shirts. These are souvenirs, these are gifts. And New Orleans Fat Tuesday Mardi Gras. This is for one of my daughters. Somebody gonna get it. Cute. Cute. Okay, that's one. Here's another one from my big son. Yeah. Fire. Bourbon Street. Okay, so that's that. And I got another one. What's this one for? I got another one. New Orleans. Bourbon Street. Look at that. Oh. My family on my dad's side are musicians, so music is in my blood. I got another one. I went t-shirt crazy. This one. New Orleans French Quarters. Isn't that cute? I love all the colors. So that's that. And then also I got, so my husband wanted to go shopping, and we wanted to stop off down the strip mall. So he was buying like shoes and pants and stuff like that. So we stopped off at this store, and when we walked in, a smell hit me, and it smelled so good. I was like, what is that smell? So I went to I don't know if he was the owner or the worker, but I went to him and I said, what is the smell in your store? And he said, oh, it's an essential oil. It's cantaloupe, I think it was. And so I was like, oh my God, where did you get it from? And he was like, we sell it. I was like, run me that. That would smell amazing in my house. So while my husband was buying clothes and shoes, I was buying essential oils. This is golden, well, it says golden perfume, and it's cantaloupe. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's see. There we go. Anyway, it smells so good. Yeah, they smell good. Okay, and the other thing is we went on a few tours. We did the double-decker tour, boat tour. We did the alligator tour, and I can't remember the other tour we did. So we did a few tours, and on the alligator airboat adventure tour with the alligators for the 4th of July. So I was on alligator duty for the 4th of July, and it was so fun. So we bought the photos that you can purchase after your excursion. So this is the airboat adventure alligator excursion. Does it say Lafayette? Yeah, Lafayette, Louisiana, and that was really fun. That was exciting. Whew. There was a lot going on that boat with those alligators. And then also we actually bought the whole like package, so we got everything. This is, oh, wait a minute. My photos is falling out. Okay, well, anyway, is that the same one? Oh, okay, so this is another picture, kind of like the same photo. So that's us with the swamps and the gators. And then they told us to look scared. That's my scared face. My husband looked like he gonna pimp slap the alligator. That was fun. It was fun. We had a lot of fun on that trip.
I had to show you this one with the lights out to appreciate the bling. I think I might have mentioned that my mom is also from Louisiana, so of course I had to bring her back a little Gree-Gree. Like me, she likes to rock caps from time to time. The fleur de lis is a unique 3-petaled flower. I read that there was some history recently conjured up about the symbol. My mom is a recent cancer survivor, so I bought it for her to symbolize life, protection, honor, and royalty. So she has an amulet and a cute saint's cap for protection.
I think that's all that I have. I feel like there's something that I'm missing. Oh, my hat. Hello, I'm wearing it. It says New Orleans. Cute. And when I came home, I was like, hey, I got something green that would match that hat. So I put on me a little green, cute little summer dress and was ready to go. But anyways, I was really overwhelmed with all that there was to see and do. When we first got there, I was like a deer in headlights. There was so much to take in. There was so much to see. And it was kind of overwhelming because I was like, oh my God, look at this, look at that. But eventually I settled down and I just started choosing things that I wanted to see and do. But we only stayed there for a week. You could probably go there and stay there for a pretty decent amount of time and still not get through the whole city and see all that there is to see. So I am happy with the adventures that we went on, and I'm happy with all the trinkets that I was able to get and bring back home. And I'm sure that I will be going back to Louisiana because I felt so welcomed and I felt so comfortable there. It was something about it that attracted me. I was attracted to Louisiana. So I will definitely be going back in the future. And I really had a great time. But anyways, I am super excited about all my goodies. I can't wait to wear my t-shirts and I'm gonna go put my pictures up. My husband already got me some picture frames, and I already started drinking out of my chalice. So I am excited. I'm like a kid in the candy store. So I'm gonna go play with all my stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked taking a look at all my goodies and my trinkets. Go get all your gifts, your goodies as well. And remember, it is what you say it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.